Whenever you go to play in school or in the evening when you go to play on field, you must have noticed that some of your friends and classmates have a particular problem. When they start playing or running for even a short time, they become breathless and they need some rest. This is because their weight is more. Now, you must have seen even some elders facing a similar problem. They have a lot of problem in running and walking, and if they do such running and walking even for a short period of time, they have difficulty in breathing. Also, they face difficulty in moving around and they suffer from a number of diseases. And if your friends who face similar problem do not correct their problem, then they may also become like those elders and they may have to be dependent on medicines because they may suffer from a number of diseases as their weight is more. So what is the reason of all this? Well, eating junk food is a major reason for all these. So we all love to eat junk food, but if you eat excess of junk food, it is not good for your health. When you eat excess of junk food, what happens is your weight increases. At the same time, you suffer from a number of diseases and you keep falling ill. So I will share a story with you. The story is about Ramu and Shamu, who are classmates, but they have very different lifestyles. So Ramu always eats home cooked food. Also, he always eats it on time. That is, he will have all his food, that is breakfast, lunch or dinner or even snacks, at the right time every day. Also, he eats all sorts of food like rice, chapati, vegetables and fruits. Every variety of food he eats. And he is a big fan of cricket and he loves playing cricket. He goes out every day to play cricket, where he runs, enjoys with his friends, and spends a lot of time on the field playing different sports. On the other hand, Shamu has a completely different lifestyle. So, Shamu eats only junk food like burgers, pizzas, even nachos. And whenever he feels thirsty, instead of drinking water, he prefers drinking aerated drinks. Now, because of this, after a month, it was observed that while Ramu remained lean, thin, and fit, and Shamu gained weight. And because of this increased weight, Shamu may suffer from a number of diseases. So he is in real danger. Now, why is increase of weight such a big problem? That's because excess of anything is bad. Like, you need to sleep so that your body gets rest. You need to play because you will stay fit and healthy. And you need to study so that you learn a lot of things. Now, if you keep on sleeping the entire day, what will happen? You will become unfit. And if you keep on playing all day, well, you will become tired as well as you will not learn anything. Now, if you study all day, you may learn some things, but you will not remain fit. At the same time, you're not sleeping, so you will become tired again. Similarly, when our weight increases, then we are called overweight. That is, our weight is in excess. For example, this boy, according to his age and height, has a proper weight. He is not overweight at all, but his weight is in excess. That is, this boy is overweight. And being overweight is a problem because you may suffer from a number of diseases. And if you continue eating, even without caring that you're overweight, you may actually become obese and you may suffer from the disease obesity. And when you will suffer from obesity, what will happen? Well, your weight is too much. That's why you wouldn't be able to walk or run properly, and you will be short of breath all the time, and even you will not look fit. You will look very unfit and unhealthy all the time, and that is not a very good feeling. Now, Shamu has another habit. Shamu eats a lot of candies. Now candies have a lot of sugar. And what does sugar do? Sugar gives us lots of energy. But Shamu doesn't use any of that energy because Shamu doesn't go out to play. He loves to play video games, and at the same time, whatever time is left, he watches TV all the time sitting at home. As a result, none of the sugar which he has eaten is being used by the body. So what happens is that all the sugar starts gathering inside his blood. And so he has a high sugar in blood. And because of this, he may face a number of problems. One of them being diabetes. So when you have very high sugar in blood, you suffer from diabetes, and it is a very dangerous illness. So what exactly happens in this? Well, diabetes affects your entire body. It affects different parts of the body, and if not taken care of, Shamu may even become blind. Such dangerous is diabetes. Now we'll understand what else can happen. Now can you see, this is sugary water. It is very thick and it flows with a lot of difficulty. It doesn't flow smoothly. But a normal water will always flow very smooth because it is not thick. It is normal water. So when you add sugar, it becomes very thick and it doesn't flow very smooth. Similarly, when sugar is high in our blood, then our blood thickens. And because of that, it is not able to flow very smoothly, while normal blood would flow very easily in our vessels. So what will happen with that? See, this is the condition of a normal vessel. So the blood is flowing normally. But as the sugar increases in blood, it starts gathering on the inner walls of the vessels. And slowly, this keeps on increasing. And as this blockage increases, blood has very less space to flow. So, you see, very less space is there for the blood to flow, and this entire blood needs to flow from here. So as it does not get the opportunity to flow from here completely, what it does is it starts applying pressure on the vessel. And that's why people suffer from high blood pressure. So what's happening is, this is the entire space for the blood to flow, but the sugar and fat from it has accumulated here. And as a result, only this space is left for the blood to flow. And obviously, it will apply pressure somewhere else, and people may suffer from a number of diseases, including high blood pressure, which may lead to even death. Now, you must be really worried about Shamu, right? How will he survive such illnesses? Well, it's not very difficult. If Shamu starts going out, starts jogging and running and starts playing games in the field, actual games like cricket and football, then what will happen is slowly he will lose all the sugar and the fat which has accumulated in his body, and he will again become lean and thin like this. But only working out will not help. He will have to eat healthy food. So he will have to eat more of home cooked food, and he will have to completely avoid junk food. And when he will do that, he will become fit. So tell me, we should eat more of home cooked food to stay healthy. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is true. If we want to stay fit, then we will have to eat more of healthy home cooked food. Only then we'll be fit and healthy. So you see, excess of anything is bad. But whatever you like, if you do it in moderation, it won't harm you. So if you like to play, you can definitely play, but only for some time. If you like to watch television, you can definitely watch television, but for some time. Similarly, if you like to eat tasty food, you can definitely eat it, but it should be healthy. And if it is junk food, you can have it only in little amounts. Similarly, And you should drink lots of water. That is very healthy for you. And if you want to have chocolates, you can definitely have chocolates, but in some amount. So whatever you eat, you should eat healthy more. And if you want to eat something which is not very healthy, but it is very tasty, you can have it in moderation. And that way you can always be fit, healthy, and happy.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.